Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the error that says you'll need a new app to open this EXE file. This issue usually appears when system file associations are damaged, so let's quickly fix it. Firstly, click on the search bar and type cmd. When command prompt appears, select Run as Administrator and open it. After it opens, copy this entire command and paste it into the cmd window. Get app package all users, where object, $.install location, like system apps. For each ADAX package, disable development mode, register, $.install location, \appxmanifest.xml. Once you paste it, press enter. If cmd completes the process smoothly, try opening your EXE file again. But if cmd shows errors or the issue is still not fixed, then move on to the next method. Now go back to the search bar and type regedit. Click on Registry Editor and allow the permission pop-up. Inside the Registry Editor, click on HK_. From the list below, find .exe and click on it. On the right side, select the default value and make sure the value data is EXE file. If it is correct, click OK. Next, scroll down in the same list and find EXE file. Click on it. Then open the folder named Shell, and then click on Open. Inside Open, double-click on Command. Now look at the right panel and double-click on the default entry. The value data should be %1, %*. If this value is different, correct it and click OK. Once all settings are done, close the Registry Editor. Finally, click on the Windows icon, go to Power Options, and select Restart. After the restart, try opening your EXE file again. In most cases, this solves the problem completely. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.